Let's go further. Brandy94 from Pakistan, member since September 2016. Hello, my name is Saad. I'm here. No, I think it's agency as well. Okay, and I'll show you that they are cheaters because I saw this ostrich already. Let's take a look at this. Right click, capture area in push. Take a look. And take a look what we can find. Google images. Drag and drop the image over there. And let's take a look what we can find with one line drawing animal. Boobies.net, designtaxi.com, Pinterest. It's not an original image. I think it's clipart also. thepluspaper.com, mozilla.com, commonuse.com. Do you see? All these ostriches are not original. Level 2. Why? You should pay more. $5, oh my. Level 2. Cheaters level 2.